What's good, family? It's Jimmy Bonds. Are you a business owner looking to elevate your brand? Or maybe you feel your business is not getting enough exposure? Well, come join me for an exciting video podcast where entrepreneurs like you can share their stories. In just 30 minutes, you'll have a powerful conversation showcasing your journey. Plus, you'll enjoy some behind-the-scenes footage and some eye-catching video clips for your social media content. Your interview will shine on YouTube and Philadelphia Radio TV and will also be streamed on all podcast platforms. So don't miss a chance to inspire and connect. Contact us today at 610-202-0615. Again, that's 610-202-0615. We look forward to hearing from you. Your story deserves to be heard. I'm Jimmy Bonds, and we out. Peace. What's good, family? PhiladelphiaRadio.com. I'm Jimmy Bonds, and welcome to our new financial literacy program, Financially Lit. I'm here today joined by no other than Miss Shaleeyah Hampton, who has started a new venture. She's going to talk to us about it, family. So let's get into it. What's up, Shaleeyah?
Hey, what's up, Jimmy? How you doing? What's up, everybody?
Yeah, tell them what's up.
Hey, what's up, family?
So you have a new venture. Now, I know you for real estate. You've done real estate for a number of years, but now you have started a new venture. Can you talk to us about your new venture as you get into the life insurance industry?
Sure. So I stumbled upon the industry. It was introduced to me maybe a year ago. I sat down with someone, a financial advisor, and we talked about life insurance. We talked about investments. She was able to help me get properly protected with life insurance. I had life insurance at the time, but I liked their product better. It seemed like they had more to offer. And which was really intriguing to me was the investment part of it and how she was able to help me save my money. So that was that. Fast forward to this year, she asked me to join the team, and here I am.
Here you are.
Here I am.
New venture. You got jump out there, fam. You want to try some new stuff, jump out there. But talk to us, because you hear the term life insurance. What is your definition of life insurance?
So going through this, and I think when we think of life insurance, we think of money to bury someone, money to for a homegoing service, right? So what I've learned and I realized is more so of income protection. Because what happened to you if you're, what would happen to your spouse if you were to die? What would happen to your kids if you were to die financially, right? They would lose your income. So when, with my new business, we look at life insurance as income protection, so if you are a person that have younger children or a spouse or a family, you said, do you have enough life insurance? Do you have enough coverage? Because we think so many people have coverage, myself as well, but we don't have enough to take care of their absent spouse or mother or father.
I can dig it. Now, in our community and definitely in our families, the conversation about life insurance can be touchy, can be tough. Why do you think we should be having these tough conversations?
We have to. I mean, it's the only thing that's guaranteed in life, right? Everybody's going to die. It eliminates a lot of stuff when a person is gone. If you have these conversations and let your family know what it is you want, how you want to be laid to rest, what you have in place, who's going to take care of the kids, who's going to take care, if you're a single parent, all that stuff needs to be put in place.
Now, I'm a new client. Take me through the process of me sitting down talking to you. What does that look like?
So the company offers something called the FNA, which is a financial needs analysis, where we would sit down with the client and we would go over the things that you need, because you're actually protecting yourself, your life, your house, your family, and your future. So, we start with protecting your foundation of your house, which is your income, right? That's no income, you don't have a house, you don't have nothing. So we sit you down, we talk about that, and we talk about your will, if that's something you're interested in. We talk about saving for the future, maybe retirement, maybe school tuitions, and any other thing that you may, be looking to save for, wedding house, all those type of things. And we, that's complimentary. We just go through all your finances and give you that report. It's kind of like a financial GPS.
What do you call it, FNA? Is that what
financial need analysis.
Yeah, FNA. Go get your FNA, family. Go get your FNA. I like that. I'm an acronym boy, so you gotta love it. So tell me this: the name of your organization is Protecting Your Tomorrow, but you have a tagline:
My acronym. P.Y.T.
P.Y.T.
is my acronym.
But your tagline is protecting your tomorrow, life insurance, not GoFundMe.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Just what it is. Get life insurance, not no GoFundMe. Stop asking somebody else to take care of your loved one.
Mm-hmm.
You're here, prepare yourself. Don't be selfish. Protect your loved one, protect your children while you're dead. Because we don't know what tomorrow is going to hold, right?
Man.
Nobody sits there and think we're going to die tomorrow, but you never know. We live through some movie times, in our lifetime.
Yeah, we have.
So we don't know what the future holds. So protect your tomorrow with life insurance.
I like that.
Protect your children's tomorrow. Protect your spouse tomorrow.
Yeah, I like that. Protect your tomorrow. Yeah.
P.Y.T.
P.Y.T. Love it. Now, again, we talked about before, last time I interviewed you, we talked about the real estate.
Mm-hmm.
And that was definitely something that you have been doing, something you had a lot of experience with. How does your real estate experience and your business in real estate connect to your new life insurance venture?
So I think it connects because, one, I've had a lot of single parents with children.
Mm-hmm.
So when I think of those people, I think of, their house, that they have to cover. If they do have life insurance, are they getting enough to protect their house if something was to happen to them? Would their kids be left with their debt? Would them kids be left homeless? Because I've made a connection with a lot of families and their kids. I'm the babysitter at the showing, so I'm holding the hands, and so I want to make sure that those, I can have those conversations as well when they do close on the house. And also, if I had a lot of clients come to me not ready to purchase because of savings, and they're saving their money in banks, and they're saving their money under the mattresses and wherever, and they're not getting a return that they could be getting on their money. So if you're saving in the bank for a year or two, in a regular bank, you're not getting a real return on it.
Mm-hmm.
So, like I said, when I joined, what attracted me to the company was the return on my investment. When I put my money, I had an old 401k, and I gave that to my agent, and I said, hey, yeah, here, take it. And transferred into a mutual fund, and I seen the return in 1 year was significant, just like, so I took 12 from it before I put it in, and I had about 10 grand back in a year when I opened my app, and I'm like, nah, okay, I want to join now. Okay, sign me up, let me get my license, because people need to know. We're not really educated on the financial part. We just put our money in the bank because that's what we're told to do.
Talk about, I guess, ROI, return on investments.
You got to get a good return on your investment because they using their money, and they getting their return on investment on our dollars.
That's sure.
So let's cut the middleman out and put your money and let it work for you.
Yeah, I can hear that.
Yeah.
Let it work for you.
Yeah. So if you're saving for a house, save it somewhere else. So so I'm able to have those conversations now if I get a client that's not ready and they're in the saving process. Tomorrow starts today with P.Y.T. I'm Shaleeyah Hampton, and I'm here protecting your tomorrow. We offer affordable term life insurance to safeguard your family's future while helping you invest the difference to grow your wealth. At P.Y.T, we don't just protect, we teach you how to save, reduce debt, and take control of your financial journey. Ready to take the next steps? P.Y.T is here to protect your present and invest in your tomorrow. Let's chat today before tomorrow is too late.
Dope. Now, life insurance can be a different thing depending on your age bracket. Mm-hmm. So, what would you determine is your target demographic of the people that you would like to sit down and talk to about life insurance? I'm
going to go back to families, single parents with children, young children, people with assets, houses, and different things like that they may have to pay off if someone was, the family will have to pay off if something was to happen to them. Those demographic of people.
Now, I watch a lot of TV, unfortunately, but I watch them for the ads, and I see ads all the time talking about term life insurance. Mm-hmm. I don't know what that means. I don't know if the audience knows what it means, but what is term life insurance? What is that? So
it's for an amount of time. You have it for a term, a period of time. And that's pretty much what my company will offer is term life insurance. because we teach you how to eliminate life insurance altogether. So we put you into a term plan, which is a lower cost plan with more coverage. Because we talked about you having more coverage when you have less, younger children, or you're still paying your mortgage. You will need more coverage if something was to happen to you. But in the later years, you may not need all of that coverage because the children are grown or your mortgage may be paid off. So at the same time, we're also helping you invest your money and you save your money into a mutual fund so you can become protected financially without the need of life insurance. Because I'm sure nobody cares when you die if they tap into a savings account or if they tap into an insurance policy. Your money is your money, and then you can actually live on your money in your older years and enjoy your life and your retirement versus waiting for somebody to die to get a life insurance policy. And there, if your term's up, you can get into another term if that's what you so choose to do.
Yeah. I mean, you see them all the time. Term life insurance. Get your term life insurance. What does that mean? Yeah, thank you for that one. Let me ask this question now. Some of us in our community are very resistant to getting life insurance. What do you say to those folks?
Y'all selfish. But I think some people are resistant because one, they don't want to acknowledge the fact they think they're gonna be here forever. They're not like, oh yeah, I'm gonna die. Like I said, nobody's thinking of dying tomorrow. But I think there's so many scenarios with that because I feel like a younger person may not care. They're young. They're not thinking about dying.
Yeah.
Like somebody like my child, 21. He's not worried about life insurance or paying something extra.
Yeah.
What is he paying that for?
Yeah.
Because you don't have any children, or it can be an older person that they can just be old and they don't have nobody, they don't have no kids, they don't have nothing to leave nothing. So they can be like, I don't care what you do to me when I'm gone.
Yeah.
I'm not here. And some people have that mindset. So, or it could be a financial, it could be so many different things, but it's definitely a need.
It definitely is.
Ain't going out of business.
No. It's like a guarantee. It's a guarantee. I run into a lot of people who say that, my job provides life insurance. I have life insurance at work. Are they fully covered?
If they ever. So I feel like, yes, we all do sign up for job insurance, but you have to die at work. What happens if you stop that job? Then you're getting life insurance 30 years later or 20 years later if that job is over, which is going to cost you more. So it's a cost for waiting.
And who wants to die at work?
And then, I think a lot of people think that you can die anywhere. Some of them policies, you have to die at work, like you have to be on the job in order for you to be covered. So you don't get a policy. You just, you get something, you're covered, and nobody actually has a policy from work where you can actually read it and see.
I always think about that too, because many people just be signing them benefits. Let me just sign up for this.
Yeah, you get some benefits. I got life insurance to work, and hopefully you don't die on the job.
If you die at home, you probably ain't covered.
Right. Yeah, so if you do, look at those policies if you can, because it's not your policy, it's the job's policy. And you're just under the umbrella of it.
See. Yeah, that's don't die at work, family. Please don't try to
get it now.
Get your own.
Because age is definitely a determined factor during underwriting. So the longer you wait, the higher your premium will be. So.
See, now some people already have life insurance and understanding the benefit of it. What do you say to them when it comes to, like, they might come to you and say, "Hey, can you look at my current policy?" What do you say to them in terms of just evaluating that process for them? Yeah,
so like I was saying, during my training, I ran through a lot of people who, mostly everybody I talked to had life insurance already or through the job. But it was just how much they had, if they was properly protected for their situation. And, we reviewed how much was their plans here, and some of them didn't even know. They might have guesstimated in our conversation, like, oh yeah, I think I got like 150. For the policy, they had 75. But then they had younger children, so it's kind of like, how long is $75,000 I'm going to last you, and you and your wife make $100,000 a year?
So that's not
yeah, it's not going to last you long. Y'all used to bring home $200,000. So this is going to last y'all half the year. And that's it.
Makes sense. Now, for some of us who can't afford life insurance, what are your suggestions to them?
So what we are always expanding, and I think it's a good opportunity if you were ever in the thought of starting your own business and not the 9-to-5 type of person. If you can think of a couple people, you can write down a list of people, 20, 25 people that you think you can help be properly protected. I think, you could come join the team, get your life insurance license. I started in September. I buckled down. I got my license in 30 days. I did some training, get paid during training, made some money, and, new venture.
Killing it.
New venture. If you're not scared to try, start over, be your own boss, come on.
Go do it. Go do it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Or you can pick up some extra hours, but whatever you do, you get some life insurance.
Definitely.
Protect your family.
Definitely. Protect your tomorrow.
Protect your tomorrow.
Now, death can be a very tough thing in families. Sometimes it can tear families apart. It can bring people together, or it can make them bitter enemies. What do you say to families to make sure that they evaluate what they have in place?
Wills always work. The company does offer a will to help you with a will. And if you're, if financially you don't want to do that, write it down, have those conversations, sit at the table, kitchen table
issues, yes.
Have a conversation with the family, talk. Don't be scared to tell your husband, tell your wife, tell your kids what it is you want. Because all them brothers and sisters I got, I told my mom, you gotta tell us what you want.
Yeah.
I ain't arguing with them. I'm her favorite, so I know I gotta make the decisions. So.
She said I'm the favorite.
she counted on me to make the decisions. I think she might say, I don't know, Shaleeyah just won't be like, all right. So she might change her mind.
Yeah.
But I ain't fighting with them. So tell us what you want.
Yeah.
Tell us what you want.
Yeah.
We're a close family, so I don't think we're gonna be fighting. But tell your family what you want.
Yeah. Get it in order. Write it down. You say you write on a piece of paper.
You write on a piece of paper and be like, mommy gave me this sticky on what's it October? I don't know.
17th, something like that. Yeah.
She said she wanted this. She said I get all the money.
That's not a beat. Now, what do you want to say to the family watching right now about life insurance and about Protect Your Tomorrow? Just in terms of let them know, plug it up.
Yeah, I think I just want you guys to pull out those policies, review your policies, know what you signed up for. If you do need a policy and you need someone to talk to financial wise, you can give me a call. Investments, life insurance, all those things that makes financial life, But, pull out those policies. Make sure you're properly protected. Make sure you're taking care of your family. You didn't work all this hard to get your houses, to get this family, to move them out of the hood or do whatever you did to lose it all because one of the spouses passed away. So hit me up, 215-789-5035 if you need me, and I'll be here.
Oh, she's still selling houses.
And I'm still selling houses. Yeah, you can call me on you can hit me up on my Instagram page, Shaleeyah Hampton Real Estate. And I see y'all when I see y'all.
No doubt. I want to thank you for joining us today on our first episode of Financially Lit, financial literacy program that we're doing here at Philadelphia Radio. So happy to be here doing this. Thank you so much, Shaleeyah. Greatly appreciate your insight, your expertise, all of that good stuff. For Shaleeyah Hampton, my man Byron in the building, I'm Jimmy Bonds, and we out. Peace.
What's good, family? It's Jimmy Bonds. Are you a business owner looking to elevate your brand? Or maybe you feel your business is not getting enough exposure? Well, come join me for an exciting video podcast where entrepreneurs like you can share their stories. In just 30 minutes, you'll have a powerful conversation showcasing your journey. Plus, you'll enjoy some behind-the-scenes footage and some eye-catching video clips for your social media content. Your interview will shine on YouTube and Philadelphia Radio TV and will also be streamed on all podcast platforms. So don't miss a chance to inspire and connect. Contact us today at 610-202-0615. Again, at 610-202-0615. We look forward to hearing from you.
Your story deserves to be heard. I'm Jimmy Bonds, and we out. Peace.